Welcome to the ultimate guide to crafting the perfect craft room. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just getting started with your creative journey, having a well-organized, inspiring space to work in can make all the difference. Your craft room is more than just a place to store supplies. It's a personal sanctuary where your creativity can flourish. Today, we'll explore key tips and design ideas that will help you create the perfect space for your projects. From choosing the right layout to organizing your tools and materials, we'll dive into ways you can maximize both form and function in your craft room. Whether you have an entire room to dedicate to crafting or just a small corner, you can turn any space into your own creative haven. Think about how you work best. Do you need lots of storage? A large surface to spread out? Or maybe you prefer a more minimalistic design to avoid clutter. Today, we'll explore a range of design ideas to help you create a space that not only looks great, but also works efficiently for your needs. From storage solutions to workspace layouts, lighting tips, and more, you'll be ready to design a craft room that fits your personality and sparks creativity. Let's start with one of the most important elements of any craft room, your workspace. Whether it's a table, a desk, or a dedicated workbench, having a functional and comfortable surface is essential for all your projects. 1. Size and layout. Choose a workspace that's big enough to accommodate your projects, but also fits comfortably within the room. A large table with plenty of surface area is ideal for most crafts, but if you're tight on space, consider a foldable or adjustable table that can expand when needed. 2. Height matters. The height of your workspace is key. A standing workbench or an adjustable desk can prevent back strain, especially for tasks that require you to move around frequently, like cutting fabric or assembling large projects. For more detailed work, a seated desk may be more comfortable, but be sure to pair it with an ergonomic chair. 3. Multifunctional spaces. If you're working on different types of projects, consider creating different zones. For instance, have one area for messy crafts like painting or glue work, and another for sewing or detailed tasks. Dual-function furniture. Consider furniture that serves dual purposes, such as a desk that folds into the wall or a table that doubles as storage space. This is especially useful if your craft room is in a shared or smaller space. Magnetic strips for tools. Install magnetic strips near your workspace for metal tools like scissors, rulers, or utility knives. This keeps your most used tools accessible and saves drawer space. Seating variety. Use different types of seating for different tasks. A comfortable, ergonomic chair for long hours of sewing or painting, and perhaps a standing stool for brief, more mobile tasks. This can help you stay organized and make it easier to clean up when switching between projects. If these craft room design ideas inspired your creativity, make sure to like this video and share it with friends who are looking to set up their perfect crafting space. One of the biggest challenges in any craft room is keeping your supplies organized. With so many small items like beads, fabrics, paintbrushes, and scissors, it's easy for clutter to build up. That's why smart storage is a must. 1. Vertical storage. Maximize your wall space by using vertical storage. Install shelves, pegboards, or wall-mounted cubbies to keep your tools and supplies within reach, but off your workspace. Pegboards are especially useful for hanging scissors, rulers, and other frequently used items in a neat and accessible way. 2. Drawer. Organizers. For those smaller items like buttons, needles, or beads, use drawer organizers or small plastic bins inside your desk or cabinets. Labeling each bin will make it easier to find what you need quickly, so you can focus on your project instead of hunting for supplies. 3. Rolling carts. A rolling cart is a versatile storage solution that can move with you. Keep your current project materials in a mobile cart so you can roll it to different areas of the room as you work. Plus, when you're done, you can simply roll it into a closet or corner to save space. Use wall-mounted baskets or wire bins for easy access to items like fabric swatches, thread spools, or paper. This adds extra storage without taking up floor space and keeps supplies visible. Slide-out drawers for small tools. Consider installing slide-out drawers in cabinets or under your desk. These drawers are perfect for small tools and materials, keeping them neatly tucked away but easy to reach. Rotating storage towers. If you're short on space, a rotating storage tower can maximize storage in a small footprint. These towers allow for multiple layers of storage in one compact space. How do you organize your craft room? Drop your favorite tips or challenges in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Your craft room should be a reflection of your personality and creativity. Adding personal touches not only makes the space more inviting, but also inspires you every time you enter. 1. Color palette. Choose a color palette that energizes and inspires you. Soft pastels create a calm and serene environment, while vibrant colors like yellow, orange, or teal can stimulate creativity and brighten your space. You can even pick a theme, like bohemian, minimalist, or vintage, to tie the room's design together. 2. Display your work. Showcase some of your favorite completed projects on the walls or shelves. Not only does it add a personal touch, but it can also motivate you to keep crafting and experimenting. Plus, seeing your past work displayed can inspire new ideas. 3. Mood boards. Create an inspiration board where you can pin fabric swatches, magazine clippings, or sketches of your next project. A corkboard or framed wire grid works great for this. Having a visual reference in your workspace helps keep your creative energy flowing. Choose decorative boxes or baskets that fit your style. These can hold supplies while also adding a stylish element to the room. You can match them to your overall color scheme or mix textures for a unique look. Comfort elements. Add comfort elements like a cozy rug or cushioned seating. If you spend long hours in the craft room, small touches like these can make the space more inviting and comfortable. Accent wall with pegboards or murals. If you want to make a bold statement, consider creating an accent wall with a mural or a decorative pegboard. You can paint the pegboard to match your room's color palette, turning storage into decor. Don't miss out on more creative home design ideas. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest craft room inspiration and more. Lighting is crucial in any craft room. It's important to have bright, focused light for detailed tasks, but also softer lighting options for times when you want a more relaxed atmosphere. First, task lighting. Make sure you have a good source of task lighting, like a bright desk lamp or overhead pendant light, especially if your work involves intricate details like sewing or painting. Adjustable lamps with flexible necks are great for focusing light exactly where you need it. 2. Natural light. If possible, try to position your workspace near a window to take advantage of natural light. Not only does it help with visibility, but natural light can also boost your mood and keep you feeling energized while you work. 3. Ambiance lighting. In addition to task lighting, consider adding string lights, table lamps, or even candles to create a cozy, inspiring atmosphere. Install dimmable lights so you can control the brightness depending on your task or mood. Bright light for detail work, and softer light for a relaxing ambiance when you're reflecting on ideas. LED strip lighting. Use LED strip lighting underneath shelves or along workbenches to create additional task lighting that's energy efficient and easy on the eyes. Natural light boosters. If your craft room doesn't get much natural light, use mirrors or light-colored surfaces to reflect and amplify any available light. This can help make the room feel brighter and more open. The lighting should not only be functional, but also contribute to the overall aesthetic of your space. Looking for more creative space ideas? Check out the Craft Room playlist for more tips on how to design and organize your dream crafting area. And that's it. With these ideas in mind, you're well on your way to creating the perfect craft room, a space that inspires creativity, keeps you organized, and is customized just for you. Love the craft room products you saw today? Check the description below for links to everything featured so you can create your perfect craft space too. Thank you for joining me on this craft room design journey. I hope these tips inspire you to create a functional and beautiful space where your creativity can thrive. Don't forget, your craft room is a reflection of you, so make it as unique and inspiring as the projects you'll create in it. Happy crafting!